So hey, recently Big Guy Rubs put 3 of their rubs into a contest here in New York State, and we got great results. Our pork rub, Give Me Some Sugar, came in 20th out of over 60 participants. They said it was a great rub. There were just some other unique rubs that beat us out. We only lost by 5 points. That was awesome. The chicken rub unfortunately came in the bottom tier of that category. However, they gave me some constructive criticism, and we'll see how that goes going forward. We got some different things going on with that one. But the big news is our fish rub, a bigger boat we put in for the fish. And I didn't have any huge hopes for any of these rubs. I just thought it would be cool to enter a contest and see what transpired. I was looking for constructive criticism, some feedback to see how it went. We've only been doing this now for a little bit over 2 years. However, our fish rub, Bigger Boat, won first place, which was outstanding. We even got a little certificate in the mail today, which we're excited about, from BBQ competitions. There it is, Big Guy Rubs, first place 2023 Best Rub Contest. So we are really excited and proud here to announce that. Going forward, we're going to try to continue to give you award-winning rubs. We got some new things on the horizon. We got some new labels coming out. We're going to be at Oldish Farms on April 2nd. That's Sunday, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I believe. And then also this summer in July, Big Guy Rubs is going to be entering into a barbecue cook-off competition. Myself and one of my friends are going to be competing along with my daughter. We're going to be doing, I believe, 12 racks of ribs. So that's something to look forward to this summer. I think it's going to be $10 a person to come out there and try a bunch of their stuff. So that should be really fun. All right, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Award-winning Big Guy Rubs, Bigger Boat, #1. Thanks, everyone.